You know that moment when you're getting ready and you look in the mirror and you think, if I just had that one product, I would feel so much better. Not even fancy, not even huge, just one more thing. A new serum, a trending lip oil, a better foundation, a hair tool that promises perfect curls in 5 minutes. Then you buy it, you feel excited for a day or two, and after that, life feels the same, but your bank account feels lighter. Most people think beauty spending is only a problem if you're buying luxury bags or getting expensive treatments every month. But here's what many women do not realize. Small beauty spending habits can quietly drain your money month after month until saving feels impossible. Hi, my name is Ms. Grace, and this channel is for women who want real financial peace without confusing rules, without guilt, and without fake never buy anything advice. If you want simple money lessons like this, subscribe. And if this helps you spot a trap you didn't notice before, hit the like button. Now, before we get into the 5 traps, let me ask you something. Have you ever added up what you spend on beauty in a month? Not just makeup, but skincare, hair, nails, subscriptions, little treats, and all those small purchases? Most women never add it up. And that is exactly why this category becomes a silent budget leak. Let us talk about the 5 beauty spending traps that keep women broke. And more importantly, how to escape them without giving up feeling confident. Number 1, the one more product trap. This is the trap where you keep buying because you believe the next product will finally fix it. Your skin, your hair, your lashes, your dark circles, your texture, your glow. The marketing is strong, the before and after looks magical, and the reviews make it feel like everyone else found the secret except you. Here's the truth. Most beauty results come from consistency, not from constantly switching. When you buy 5 different moisturizers in 3 months, you're not giving any of them time to work, and your brain starts thinking the solution is always another purchase. A smart way out is simple. Choose a small, core routine. One cleanser, one moisturizer, one sunscreen, and 1 or 2 targeted products if you really need them. Then stop shopping for fixes for 60 days. Give your routine time. Give your wallet time. And if you still want to try something new, you do it with a rule. One new item only after you finish one item. This one rule alone can save hundreds per year, and it lowers stress too, because you stop chasing perfect. Number 2, the sale makes me do it trap. Now, here's where things get interesting. Sales are not always savings. A sale is often a test. It asks, can I make you buy something you didn't plan to buy? Beauty brands are experts at this. Limited time offers, bundles, gift with purchase, holiday sets, flash sales, buy 2 get 1, and those messages that say, only 3 left. And suddenly you're not shopping because you need something. You're shopping because you're scared to miss a deal. But a deal you didn't need is not a deal. It is just spending with a pretty label. A smart way out is to create a beauty list before the sale, not during the sale, before. Write down what you truly use and need, like your exact foundation shade, your basic skincare refill, your daily hair product. Then, when a sale shows up, you only buy from the list, and only if you are close to running out. If you're not close to running out, you skip it. You can also set a 24-hour pause rule. Put it in your cart, close the app, and come back tomorrow. If you still want it and it's on your list, fine. If not, you just saved money without feeling deprived. Number 3, the influencer made me want it trap. This trap is everywhere, and it's powerful. You watch a quick video, someone with perfect lighting and perfect skin says, this changed my life. And in your mind, you think, maybe this will change mine too. It feels like a recommendation from a friend, but it is often a sales machine. Here's what makes this trap dangerous. It's not just the one product, it's the cycle. Every week, there's a new must-have. Every month, there's a new holy grail. And you start building a cart instead of building savings. A smart way out is to remember one simple rule. Your face is not their face. Your hair is not their hair. Your budget is not their budget. Also, many creators earn money when you buy through their link, which is fine, but you should know what game you're in. Try this. Choose one no-buy day per week, where you don't buy anything online. Then choose one content detox week per month, where you mute the accounts that trigger impulse spending. Not forever, just enough to regain control. And when you see something you want, ask one question. Would I still buy this if nobody showed it to me? If the answer is no, it was not a need, it was a trigger. Number 4. The subscriptions and auto refills trap. This trap feels harmless because it's small and it's automatic. A beauty box, a monthly razor subscription, skincare auto ship, hair products every 30 days, nail kits, vitamins, lashes, and sometimes apps too. The problem isn't one subscription, the problem is the pile. $10 here, 15 there, 20 there. Then you look up and you're paying for products you haven't even finished. Your bathroom becomes a storage room, and your money is leaving your account without you noticing. A smart way out is to do a beauty bill check once a month. Open your bank app and search words like beauty, box, skin, hair, store, and subscription. Cancel what you don't love. Pause what you're not using. Then switch to a refill rhythm that matches real life. Most people don't need a new serum every 30 days. Most people don't finish a shampoo bottle in 1 month. If you truly love a product, you can still buy it, but you buy it when you finish it, not because an automatic charge decided it is time. If you want a simple system, keep one rule: no more than 2 beauty subscriptions at a time, and only if you can clearly say why they're worth it. Number 5. The confidence tax trap. This is the deepest trap, and it's not really about makeup. It's about emotion. The confidence tax is when you spend money to fix a feeling. You feel tired, you buy a new lip color. You feel stressed, you book an expensive appointment. You feel insecure, you buy more products. You feel behind in life. You buy something to feel put together. And listen, wanting to look good is not wrong. Beauty can be fun and self-care matters. But if you use spending as a way to escape a bad day, your budget will never feel safe. Here's how you know this trap is active. You buy, then you feel guilty, then you promise to stop, then you feel bad again, then you buy again. That's not a beauty routine. That's an emotional spending loop. A smart way out is to build a confidence routine that costs less. It can be simple: clean hair, basic skincare, sleep, water, movement, a neat outfit, and one small beauty item you truly love. Then you set a beauty budget that you can follow without shame. You can also use the 3 questions rule before a purchase. Do I need it now? Do I already have something similar? And will I still be happy with this in 2 weeks? If you can't answer yes clearly, you wait. Now, let me connect all 5 traps because they usually work together. The one more product trap keeps you chasing fixes. The sale trap makes you buy early and buy extra. The influencer trap makes you want what you did not even think about yesterday. The subscriptions trap pulls money quietly every month. And the confidence tax trap turns a feeling into a purchase. When these 5 traps mix, even a woman with a decent income can feel broke, not because she's careless, but because the system is designed to pull money in small pieces until you feel stuck. So here's your simple reset plan. First, choose one core routine and stop adding new products for 60 days. Second, make a list of what you actually use, then only buy from that list. Third, cancel or pause subscriptions you're not finishing. Fourth, create a beauty budget that fits your life, even if it is small. Fifth, build a confidence routine that's not based on shopping. And here's the identity shift. You stop being a woman who tries to save what's left. You become a woman who decides where money goes first. That is real power. Quick reminder: if you want more women-focused money videos like this, Subscribe to Money Basics School with Ms. Grace. Now, I want to say this clearly. This is not about never buying beauty products. This is about buying with intention. You can love makeup and still build savings. You can enjoy skincare and still pay off debt. You can get your nails done sometimes and still invest for your future. The goal is not to remove joy. The goal is to remove the money leaks that steal your peace. Because the real glow up is not just skin, it's stability. It's sleeping at night without fear. It's knowing you can handle surprises. It's having choices. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, and share it with a friend who always says, "I don't know where my money goes." And comment, "I'm done with the traps," so I know you are starting today.